If you've ever said AI is taking over everything, you need to hear this. Because in the beauty industry, AI isn't your biggest threat. Something else is. And if you've been worrying about your career, your income, or the future of your business, stay with me. There are 3 things that could actually replace beauty pros long before AI ever will, and understanding them can protect your business from being wiped out. Before we go deeper, like this video, subscribe, and download the free automation guide in the description. It shows you how to let AI handle the tasks that drain your time, so you can make more money without working more hours. Let's get into what most beauty pros miss. Why is it that some are thriving even with AI exploding in every industry, while others feel like they're behind before they even start? Why is it that clients still choose humans over technology, even when apps and devices keep improving? And what's the real threat that could put beauty pros out of business sooner than AI ever could? I'll answer all of that in this video. Let's start with the truth. AI might automate tasks, but it can't replace trust. Trust is built through connection, consistency, and human presence. Clients return because of how you make them feel. They remember your attention, your care, your technique, your energy. AI doesn't have that. It can't read the room. It can't soothe nervous clients. It can't adjust pressure or anticipate pain. It can't comfort someone who's having a rough day. And it certainly can't replace the emotional safety people feel when they're in your chair. But here's the real problem. The thing that can replace beauty pros is stagnation. When a beauty pro stops learning and evolving, stops improving their skills, stops building systems, and stops adapting to the way the industry grows, that's when they become replaceable. AI won't replace you. But a beauty pro who's faster, more modern, more reliable, and more strategic absolutely can. Before we move on, remember to like this video and hit subscribe. And don't forget to download the free automation guide in the description, so you can let AI handle your back-end tasks and free up your time for what matters. Now let's talk about the first thing that could replace beauty pros. Lack of innovation. Clients want a seamless experience. They want efficiency. They want comfort. They want clarity. If your booking system is outdated, your communication is slow, your aftercare is unclear, or your client experience feels old school, a more modern beauty pro can easily pull your clients. Not because they're better at the service, but because the experience is smoother. The beauty pros who adapt, who use technology smartly, and who stay updated will always attract higher-paying clients. The second thing that could replace beauty pros is lack of education. This industry moves quickly. New products, new formulas, new ingredients, new techniques, new trends. When a beauty pro stops learning, they fall behind. Clients can tell when someone isn't evolving. They start losing trust. They start looking for someone more knowledgeable. Skill isn't something you master once. It's something you sharpen constantly. The third thing that could replace beauty pros is lack of business systems. The pros who rely only on client hours burn out. They struggle during slow seasons. They lose momentum when life gets busy. But beauty pros who create digital products, build passive income streams, and use automation to run their business have a stronger foundation. They can grow without exhausting themselves. They can earn even on days they're not in the treatment room, and they can focus on mastery instead of survival. The beauty industry isn't being replaced by AI. It's evolving because of it. The pros who win aren't the ones fighting technology. They're the ones partnering with it. They're using AI to automate booking confirmations, follow-ups, content creation, client reminders, and business planning. They're using AI to save time so they can pour more energy into results, connection, and service quality. AI won't replace beauty pros. But beauty pros who refuse to grow will be replaced by those who do. As we come to the end, remember the 3 real threats: staying the same, stopping your education, and avoiding new systems. These are the things that limit your success. But the good news is, you can fix all of them. When you keep learning, when you evolve with the industry, and when you use AI to support your business, you become irreplaceable. Like this video, subscribe, and download the free automation guide in the description. Let AI take care of the busy work, so you can focus on the parts of your business that no machine will ever be able to replace.